Hey everybody, Hermie here from Mystic Slot Queen, and this is pretty much a fan favorite coin combo. I'm at Viejas Casino, and a little bit of ways from east of San Diego. So there's that jackpot. It's kind of these little bowls here, the red, this is the jackpot. I think this is a one of these are multipliers, and one of these are like I think free spins. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm going to try $2 denomination, kind of work my way. I'm going to start with 176. So wish me luck, guys. All right, guys. Let's see. Very nice. Oh, very cool. $9. Okay. Pop it, pop it. Pop. Pop, 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 pop. Ooh. For $3. Ooh. Did I get aces too? Yep. Almost $5. Nothing there. Nothing there. Pop, 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 pop. Nothing. Nice. What are these? Like guitars? $2. Okay, I'm gonna up my bet now. $3.52. What is this? Let that go. Cheers, everyone. Horses in my life. This is a good one. $48. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna try and double this. Is that $12? Yeah. Come on, baby. Give me life, pop that bomb. Pop that ball. Nada. Horses for $1. Aces in my life. Come on, baby. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Pop it. Damn it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. My money. Pop it. Pop it. If I can get all three of them, holy shit balls. Nada. Row. Okay, I'm gonna be. I don't know what I'm thinking, but let's do it. My money. Oh, this was a bad mistake, huh? Was this a bad mistake? Please don't fail me now. $1.20. Oh. Oh, it's growing. It's growing. Oh my god. Oops, sorry guys, my hand. Oh, okay, I gotta go down. It's quiet still here. Come on, something, give me something, pop it. You gotta pop something. I'm crying on the inside, guys. Crying on the inside. Just sitting here in disbelief right now. My money's gone. I need something to pop. $6. All right, let's change denominations here. Okay, $4.40. This ain't looking good. Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. This is rough. Jackpot. Nada. $1.50. Pop. Alright, that's it, guys. Another $100 down the drain. See you guys next time.